I just need you back.
Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another fun-filled DIY to share with you, and these are the items that I'll be using, items from the dollar store and more. Okay, we have two of these wood base here, and I'll be using some of this silver acrylic paint to paint both of them. Now I got my boards from Dollarama over here in Canada, but the Dollar Tree also has them. They just have the picket fence at the ends, at the edges of them, but when you're laying the mirror for what we're making today, it will cover that up. So you can either use this from Dollarama or use the ones that the Dollar Tree has. Okay, so now they're all painted and dry. It looks nice with the silver. So I'll be putting on some of these mirrored sheets here. I got mine from Temu, but you can also get them on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Okay, so I'm just gonna line them up how I want them to place on the board. And they come with adhesive on the back, so I'm just gonna peel them off, and then we're gonna adhere them to our board. Taking the backing off is so annoying. But just take your time and take it off so it doesn't break the sheets, because they are kind of thin. They're not really that thick. They're very easy to break, so just manage them accordingly. And then we'll just press it down. And the front part has a plastic over it to help protect the mirror until you're ready to take it off. So we're just going to continue putting down the other two pieces. Okay, so now I'm going to take the plastic protective sheet off of the middle piece, because we're just going to be adding a base to help support our candle holder, because we are making wall sconces. Yep. Okay, so I just have one of the building blocks here that you could get at the Dollar Tree, and I painted it all silver. So I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue, and we're going to place it right here over the mirror. And now I'm going to be using some of this Glam chain, my favorite silver Glam chain from BB Craft. And we're going to take off the rest of the protective plastic off of the mirrors so we can glue down the chain onto our wall sconces. So just take your time and lay down the E6000, because you don't want it going everywhere to mess up our mirrored tiles. And now we're just going to lay down our chain pieces. I will have the link to all the things that I'm using today down in the description bar. Just below the video, some devices, they say show more. Others, there's a little arrow going down. You just touch any one of those that you have on your device and it'll open the description box. And you can see everything I have to share with you down there. And onto our little square piece here, I'm going to put another small piece of our chain. And it is giving a little trouble to stay down, so I'm just going to hold it in place for a little bit until the glue sets. Okay, so now we have our tea light candle holder right here, and we're just going to paste it together with some E6000 and glue our pieces together. And here is our finished look. I have them up on the wall, and I use some command strips to place them on the wall. Don't they look nice? I love how they turned out. And it was really fast and easy to make using items from the dollar store and more. I love how they look on the wall, and you can place them anywhere throughout your home. And with the mirrors, they are so shiny and nice. I love mirror decor. I do. I love anything with mirrors. I think they look lovely. And here they are with the candles inside. I love how they look with the little tea light candles inside. And when you light them up and dim the lights, I'm sure they will look lovely. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's easy DIY wall sconces, mirrored wall sconces. I love how they turned out. I think they look very nice. Tell me what you think of them. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 DIYs. I'd really appreciate it. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely and easy DIY for you to do for yourself or as a gift for a loved one. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.